No way! Me doing homework, me and studying just don't go together.
Come on! Well!
What the heck has happened there?
Damn. I hope I haven't forgotten anything.
Diana! Come here! Our son has disappeared!
I need to find a way to sneak out of the house. Oops!
Is that noise coming from bedroom? I need to check.
I need to hide somewhere quickly. I hope I don't get caught. I hope I don't get caught.
Stop! Something's not right here. I guess I imagine it.
Oh, looks like I made it.
Wait a minute!
Oops!
What's that noise?
I need to get back to my room
Huh?
quickly.
Well, it looks like...
Come on, go!
Is it just me, or... Strange. I heard something for sure. Maybe it was in another room.
Oh, and there is another miss!
No, everything's fine.
Where are you going? Ah! Come on, keep your head up!
Oops!
Huh? Is it from outside? Well,
Phew. I thought I was done for. Oops! I need to get back to my room quickly. I hope I haven't forgotten anything.
Well? Who are you barking at over there? Silence!
Phew. I thought I was done for. No way! Me doing homework, me and studying just don't go together.
I can.
I need to get back to my room quickly. I hope I don't get caught. I hope I don't get caught.
Stop. Was someone here? Strange. I'm sure I heard something. Maybe it was from
Come on,
outside.
come on, come on, go, 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 go!